Hey, what's up? Hello, how are you? Okay, now we have here a 2008 D Lincoln Penny. Let's find out the price or the value of a 2008 D Lincoln Penny in top condition. Yes, 2008 D Lincoln Penny in top condition. Let's find out the price or the value. Okay, here we go. The most valuable 2008 D penny was certified MS68 RD by third-party grader, professional coin grading service, and took $2,990 in a 2008 sale. Wow, $2,990 for the 2008 D penny in top condition, graded MS68 by Professional Coin Grading Service. Wow. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.